Everything is relevant and everyone is relevant. Every participant can share something that I can use in my business.
There are always new people that are super interesting to discover, especially when it's people that face the same challenging as you do. I think it's always the most insightful conversation that you can have.
It was really amazing. I took so many screenshots. And that tells you that a conference is good when you have to take a lot of screenshots.
It's just like good energy, good people, good conversations. You learn some things as well. I like the workshops.
It's probably the biggest AGS I've ever been in Berlin. So the amount of people and amount of connection that I could make today was actually very impressive.
There were new speakers, new people invited. It felt really fresh.
One of the best things about speaking is afterwards, people are coming up and they're introducing themselves and they're sharing their stories. So AGS is a chance for us to come together and meet. You're making new connections. You're having fun.